Hello, Bophiles, and Happy New Year. It's been a while since I did a teaching tune video, so I wanted to start off the new year with a tutorial on how to play Auld Lang Syne, everyone's favorite Scottish New Year's melody. So this tune, we're going to do it in D major, and I'll play the whole thing, but it's in 4 parts. And the notes you need, we're going to be in the D major scale. So we'll start with that half whole D, and I'll demonstrate all the notes and put the fingerings on the screen for you. So the notes you need are these. And then going up from the half whole D, so you may want to practice those 2 mini scales first before learning the tune. Well, assuming you have that D major craft down, here are the 4 parts. Oh, and real fast before I forget, you can sign up for oboe lessons at oboephiles.com, or if you need free oboe lessons, like if the cost is a barrier for you, you can sign up for free oboe lessons at throughthestaff.com, or I think it's .org actually. Throughthestaff.org, and if you take lessons there, you can actually get free Oboephiles reads. So if cost is a barrier for lessons for you, please make sure to remember to sign up at throughthestaff.org. It's a really great organization, and I hope you enjoy this free Auld Lang Syne lesson. Here's part 1. Pause and review it or play it back until you have that part solid. Here's part 2. Part 2 uses these side octave key switch, so make sure you're comfortable going from the half hole to the back octave key between D and E, and then up to the side octave key when you get to the A and B. And again, you can review it by rewinding it and playing it back again. Here's part 3. And here's part 4. So once you can put all those 4 parts together, make sure you practice them individually first. You can play it along with me. I'll play first the melody again, and then I'll play an improvised harmony part. We'll play right here. Do, do, and it starts with a pickup on beat 4. 1, 2. Okay, hopefully that worked out. If you have questions about Auld Lang Syne, leave them in the comments below, and I hope you guys have a really fantastic Happy New Year. When in doubt, play beautifully.